Are you planning a trip and looking for ways to save money on your hotel stay? In this video, we will share some tips and tricks to help you get the best deal on your next hotel booking. 1. Book in advance. One of the easiest ways to save money on a hotel stay is to book in advance. Most hotels offer discounts for early bookings, so make sure to plan your trip ahead of time and book your hotel room as soon as possible. 2. Use price comparison websites. There are many price comparison websites that can help you find the best deals on hotel rooms. Some popular ones include Expedia, Kayak, and Hotels.com. These websites allow you to compare prices from different hotels and book the one that offers the best value for your money. 3. Sign up for loyalty programs. Many hotel chains offer loyalty programs that allow you to earn points for every stay. These points can be redeemed for free nights or other rewards. Make sure to sign up for these programs and take advantage of the benefits they offer. 4. Look for last-minute deals. If you're flexible with your travel dates, you can often find great last-minute deals on hotel rooms. Websites like Hotel Tonight and lastminute.com offer discounted rates on unsold rooms, so keep an eye out for these deals. 5. Consider alternative accommodations. If you're looking for a more affordable option, consider alternative accommodations like hostels, vacation rentals, or Airbnb. These options can often be much cheaper than traditional hotels and offer a unique travel experience. 6. Negotiate with the hotel. If you're booking directly with the hotel, don't be afraid to negotiate the price. Call the hotel and ask if they can offer you a better rate or any additional perks like free breakfast or parking. By following these tips, you can save money on your next hotel stay and make the most of your travel budget. Welcome back to our video on how to save money on a hotel stay. In this segment, we will share some more tips to help you get the best deal on your next hotel booking. 7. Travel during off-peak season. If you're flexible with your travel dates, consider traveling during off-peak season. This is when hotels are less busy and offer lower rates to attract guests. You can save a lot of money by avoiding peak travel times like holidays and weekends. 8. Use credit card rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards programs that allow you to earn points or cash back on your purchases. Some credit cards also offer special deals and discounts on hotel bookings. Make sure to check your credit card rewards program and take advantage of any hotel-related benefits. 9. Bundle your travel. Booking your hotel, flight, and rental car together can often save you money. Many travel websites offer bundle deals that can help you save on your overall travel expenses. Make sure to compare prices and check for any discounts before booking. 10. Check for hidden fees. Before booking your hotel room, make sure to check for any hidden fees like resort fees, parking fees, or Wi-Fi fees. These fees can add up quickly and significantly increase the cost of your stay. Make sure to factor in these fees when comparing prices. 11. Use cashback websites. Cashback websites like Rakuten and Top Cashback offer cashback on your hotel bookings. Simply sign up for these websites, click through to your preferred hotel booking website, and earn cashback on your booking. 12. Ask for a free upgrade. If you're booking directly with the hotel, ask if they can offer you a free upgrade. This is especially effective if you're traveling during off-peak season or if the hotel has unsold rooms. You may be able to score a free upgrade to a better room or suite. By following these additional tips, you can save even more money on your next hotel stay and make the most of your travel budget.